This video will show you how to create and edit ticket types for your event. Creating tickets on Eventbrite is an essential part of the event creation because this is how you're going to offer admission to your attendees. If your account has a professional or premium package, you can create multiple ticket types. However, accounts with an essential package can only create one ticket type. If your organization has set roles and permissions, you will need a role with permission to manage tickets to create and edit tickets. This can be found in the Team Management section of your organization settings. From your event dashboard, select Tickets in the left-hand menu. If tickets have not been created on the event, you are first prompted to either choose to create a new set of tickets or copy tickets from a previous event. We will review how to copy tickets in just a moment. If you select Create New Tickets, you are brought to a screen to add a ticket. There is also an option to create sections for additional categorization that we will go over after we review tickets. When you start to create your actual ticket, you will choose between 3 ticket types. Paid is for a ticket that has a set amount to be charged. Free is for a ticket with no charge. And donation is a paid ticket where attendees choose how much to pay. Next, add the name of your ticket, like General Admission or Early Bird. Then set your available quantity, which is how many of this ticket type you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell 200 of a certain ticket type, you will set the quantity to 200. Now you set the price for paid tickets. To view how much your attendees will pay, as well as a breakdown of fees and taxes, click View Details. By default, fees are added on top of the ticket price. If you would rather pay fees from your ticket sales instead, select Absorb Fees. Next, enter dates and times for your tickets to go on sale. Tickets will not be on sale before your sales start date or after your sales end date. You can also choose for a ticket to go on sale when another ticket comes off sale because it's either met its maximum quantity or reached the end date for sales. This is great for things like early bird tickets. Please note, if you're using recurring events, you are not able to set a start date for your ticket sales. If you would like to customize a ticket type further, select Advanced Settings. The first part in Advanced Settings is your ticket description. This is where you can add more information about your tickets. For instance, you can list everything that is included in a VIP ticket. Ticket visibility controls whether attendees can see certain ticket types and if they need an access code to view the ticket. Tickets per order sets the minimum and maximum amount of tickets that can be purchased during one order. You can use this to create group ticket types or limit the number of purchases per order. Next, confirm your sales channel, which confirms where attendees can buy this ticket type. Online only means it can only be purchased on the website. At the door only means it has to be purchased using the Eventbrite Organizer app, and everywhere allows sales in both channels. Finally, you can set a delivery mode for your tickets. By default, all tickets are e-tickets, meaning tickets are sent electronically. If attendees should pick up their tickets at the event, you can check Will Call. If you check both, attendees can choose between e-delivery and Will Call. You can also set a capacity, which limits the number of tickets sold for the event overall and prevents you from overselling your venue. For example, if you set a capacity of 250 and sell 50 of your 100 VIP tickets and 200 of your 250 general admission tickets, sales will end even though both tickets have 50 additional tickets available in their individual ticket inventory because you've reached the capacity of 250. After you have set up your tickets, view your event or preview your event if you haven't published to see how your attendees will see tickets. Now that we have gone over your tickets, let's go back and look at how you can set up sections for your tickets. You must create a section before you create your first ticket, and this will be used to group your ticket types. This can be used for things like time slots or learning tracks. When you create a section, the first thing you will do is give it a name. Something like 8 a.m. will work. Next, you'll create the tickets for that section, then create a new section for 9 a.m., add tickets for 9, and so forth. You can also add an individual capacity for each section. Now let's look at how you can copy tickets from a previous event. Rather than creating tickets from scratch, you can copy tickets from another event. Click Copy Tickets to see a list of the ticket types on the event. Once you find an event with the tickets you want to use, click Import Tickets. This will copy all your tickets with their settings and sections, as well as add-ons and promo codes. Sale date and time for your new tickets will be based on the date and time for your new event. You can edit and update your tickets anytime. To do this, select the three-dot icon to the right and choose Edit if you want to edit your ticket, Copy if you want to make a copy of your ticket, or Delete, which is only available for unsold ticket types. Please note, if you change the name of a ticket type after an order has been placed, the order will retain the original name for the ticket, but the sale for the ticket will group with the new tickets ordered under the new name. And that's it. For more help planning your next event with Eventbrite, see our Help Center, blog, or YouTube channel.